Hello everyone, and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. I am hungry and I'm ready for breakfast. Today I'm going to make a smoothie. This smoothie is a take on Nyjah Barbie's blueberry and peach smoothie on her channel, and I'm just going to do it my way. So here we go. I have figs, frozen strawberries, blueberries, a frozen banana. I'm going to use a handful of spinach, protein, and some almond milk. Because I like my smoothies thick, I'm going to add milk as needed. It's so delicious. I was going to use prunes, but I used figs instead, and it's daggone delicious. The consistency is like almost like a milkshake that's been melted a little bit, but I like that. Breakfast is done. So good. It is lunchtime. This is a simple wrap that I'm going to make for lunch, and I am going to use a new protein substitute. I normally would use tofu or tempeh, but a friend of mine by the name of Mary Beth told me about hemp, and so that's what I'm going to use today in my lunch. So this is the protein replacement I was telling you guys about, and I used 4 slices of it off the block. I also just browned a little bit separately before adding to the dish. And this is a wrap. I am getting ready to enjoy this awesome lunch I just made myself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye, guys.